Welcome to Haseeb Electronics. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Friends, I am sharing not a very big video, it is not too much technical, but when we have problem in our electrical device, electronic device, our computer, our laptop, when we connect to power and it does not power on, what is our first step? We have to check the power cable. How we can check power cable, I will demonstrate in very easiest steps. So you can purchase a multimeter. It is not a very expensive. It's maybe it starts from $3, $4. So you can purchase, and it is a basic item for if you have any electrical power in your home. So you should have a multimeter. Set multimeter to ohmic value or continuity and connect both cables to test the multimeter. It will give a beep so that the leads are working, the test probes are good, and multimeter is good. It's a self test. Now connect one lead to the one female pin of the plug and one pin to the socket. So it will give a beep, it will give a tone, a buzzer, and the display should read 0 ohm or something like this. So change or swap the lead to the other socket and check continuity one by one. Every pin should be connected to just one pin. It should not give continuity with other pins, and all pins must give continuity. If any one pin have missing continuity, you can see here it is giving one continuity with one pin and the other does not read anything. So if any one wire is missing with continuity, that means the cable is faulty, cable is to be replaced, because most of the time the problem is power cable. Like this, connect one pin to female pin and the other to the power connector. You can see it is giving us continuity and some reading. Swap the pin to the other pin and check continuity like this. And now we will check the ground pin like this. So we can find one pin with one pin. If it is giving with other two pins, other pin, that means the cable is internally short. And if two pins are reading and the one pin is missing, it does not show anything, no beep, no buzzer, no continuity, that means the cable is broken from inside. If it gives continuity with more than one, that means it have internally short. And if one pin is missing or two pins are missing, that means the cable, the wire inside, it have cut, it have broken from inside. So in both cases, if it is giving continuity with more than one pin, you have to replace. If it is missing continuity with one pin, you have to swap. Okay, if you don't have a continuity option, you have to select the ohmic value, ohm range, ohm sign, omega sign. So we can read continuity like this. It will show us less than 1 ohm. Now I will connect multimeter to wall socket and I will apply power. I will measure power. Here I am using 115 volt, because in this area I have 115, not 220, 220 volt. Here is 115 volt. So if you have 220 volt socket, you are using 220 volt facility, you will multimeter will show you 220 volt. That means the cable is good, the power cord is good. And if it is giving power and your device does not start, does not work, that means problem inside the device. that may be CPU, laptop, any electronic device, any electrical device. So friends, it was a very short video and it is not too much complicated. We can see on the display I have 115 volt. Stay blessed. Thank you for watching and stay connected with Haseeb Electronics. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.